It's the summer kickoff party at Nicki Bakes. Summer reminds me of Hawaii, and Hawaii reminds me of cocktails. I have never been to Hawaii, but I like cocktails. So today I'm taking 5 of my favorite summer drinks and turning them into cupcakes. We've got a Pina Colada, a Mimosa, a pink lemonade, a red sangria, and a margarita. See, that's 5. And man, they sound so good, they made me want to do the hula again. It is going to be pretty tough to share these, but make sure that you give one to the French guy wearing sandals. Felipe. The French, you know, Felipe who? Felipe Flo. I'm going to fly right through these to make sure I get all 5 of them in there, but I am going to leave the recipes down below. I'm using a box cake with these recipes only because it's much easier for me to do all 5, but you can always make the flavors work with your favorite scratch recipe. And here we go. Pina Colada. Cake mix, butter, eggs, pina colada mix, crushed pineapple, and some coconut flavor oil or coconut extract. Butter, powdered sugar, coconut oil or coconut extract, pina colada mix. Oh, I almost forgot. Now I'm going to take a piece of pineapple and a cherry, stick it right on there, a pretty blue wrapper, and a yellow straw. Mimosa, cake mix, butter, orange juice, eggs, and some orange zest. Powdered sugar, butter, and champagne. Strawberry on top, and an orange straw. Pink lemonade, cake mix, butter, eggs, pink lemonade, real lemon juice, and some lemon zest. Butter, powdered sugar, lemon juice, limoncello, and some cherry juice. I'm going to take some pink sprinkles and put them all over the cupcake. Top it off with a lemon twist and a straw. And then put it in a yellow wrapper. Red sangria, chicken noodle soup, no, we need cake mix. Cake mix, eggs, some butter. You know, it kind of is like a butt. Butts kind of have this in them. And then people are like, is that a butt or no? And red wine. There it is. Butter, powdered sugar, red wine, some naked berry smoothie. You can also use real berries if you prefer, and some purple food coloring. Then I'm going to add an orange, a raspberry, and a blueberry, an orange straw. And margarita. Can you guess? SpongeBob. I'm ready. SpongeBob. What if I said, are you feeling it now, Mr. Krabs? Still didn't get that one. Limeade, some juice from a real lime. Tequila, triple sec. This is for when you tell someone like, hey, I need a little extra time. And they're like, okay, I'll give you a sec. And you're like, no, I need a triple sec. Eggs and butter. The margarita cupcakes will only come if you do the margarita dance. I told you. Powdered sugar, butter, and lime juice. I'm gonna start with just the bottom layer. Then I'm gonna dip that in some fake salt, which is actually sugar crystals. And then finish off the top. Green wrapper, a slice of lime, and a green straw. Wow. I almost wish I could just drink it like it's holy, but I'll eat it instead. It's so good. Thanks for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know what you want to see next. Happy summer, and keep working on your hula so that you don't look like a foola when I school you with my hula. See you guys next time.